name's Josh Rule, salesman here at Pine Hill Trailers, and today I want to talk to you about dump trailers. To do that, we have this Belmont DTX8114 dump trailer. But before we get started, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's take a closer look at what makes this 8114 a heavy-duty, high-quality dump trailer. There's a lot to look at from the front here. One feature that stands out the most, though, is going to be this 8-inch I-beam mainframe. As well, underneath here, you'll have stow hooks, which is a convenient place to hang your safety chains when you're not in tow. As well, from the front, you'll see our adjustable 2 5/16 inch coupler, which can be swapped out at no charge for a Pintle ring. Along with that, this trailer was ordered with the optional 12K hydraulic jack in place of the standard top wind drop leg 12,000 pound jack. As well, you can see this trailer was ordered with the optional tarp kit right here on the front of the trailer. In the oversized toolbox up front, you'll have your hydraulics and controls stored neatly. All you need to do is move this lever to redirect the hydraulic fluid, which allows you to take control from either the jack up front or the dump action of your bed. Everything then is controlled by this hardwired remote, and we do have wireless remotes available and sold separately. From the side here, we'll have 20-inch high, 12-gauge steel sides. As well, on top of those sides, you'll have these gussets. There's one here in the back, one in the front, that allows you to easily drop in a 2 by 12-inch board if you needed to build your side up a little bit higher. As well, you will have stake pockets along the outside here that you could build even taller, removable sides that just drop right in. Inside here, on the bed of this 8114, it'll measure 81 inches wide, 14 feet long. As well, they'll have 4 welded in D-rings for easy tie-off points. Your floor here is made of a 10-gauge steel. From the back here, you can see our 3-way tailgate, which is standard on all DTX model dump trailers from Belmont. This allows you the function of barn doors, a drop-down tailgate, or a swing-open spreader gate. From the bottom here, you're going to notice the Grommet mounted LED lights. LED lights are standard on all of Belmont's trailers all the way around. As well, underneath here, you'll have stored your standard 6-foot slide-in ladder ramps. And from the back here, you can also see the optional drop-down support stands, which help take the weight off of your tow vehicle when you're going to be loading a heavy piece of equipment. Raise the bed up here, you'll be able to see that Belmont provides us with a convenient place to store your tools as well as a good place to put your spare tire. From here you can also take a good look at our 2 7,000 pound Dexter Easy Lube axles with self-adjusting brakes. That gives us our GVWR of 14,000 pounds. You can also see this trailer uses 2 telescopic hydraulic cylinders to push the bed up. The finish on this trailer is a high quality urethane primer, paint, and top coat, giving it a very durable and attractive finish. Overall, you can see this is a high quality trailer, backed by Belmont's 5-year factory warranty. If you have any questions on this trailer or any other trailer we may have, feel free to stop in or give us a call at any time. And remember, here at Pine Hill, we're driven by you.